I figure I take the Supermoto wheels and put it on my Legacy WR250R. Maybe see how this big bore kit with the stock suspension runs on the twisties. So the plan is I want to try the twisties with this Legacy WR250R Athena big bore kit with the Supermoto wheels. So the Supermoto wheels, I put a 49 tooth sprocket on this because the Legacy WR250R has a 49 tooth sprocket. So the chain, I don't have a new one right now, but I'm just going to have to use it with a 13 sprocket up front. So she probably has more teeth than I would want on the road, but I want to see how she feels. The Enduro tires are off. There is my Legacy WR250R. Can't wait to take it out. How's she look? Supermoto'd out. See how she does on the twisties. That's a whole new bike. My Legacy WR.